Hey, hope you're having a great day. Welcome to another video broadcast right from home, waking up. And I just wanted to tell you that in order to create cash flow and passive income is all about the systems that we possess, the assets that we get, okay, under our asset column. Because at the end of the day, the cash flow that comes from those assets would determine whether that asset is truly an asset. Is the way the cash flow flows into our pocket, or is it flowing out of our pocket? An asset can become a liability, and a liability can become an asset. It all depends of where the cash flow is flowing. Cash flow stands for passive income or residual income. And here at Master Investors Company, we work on acquiring assets for cash flow. It's the type of income that we do not have to work for. Okay, it comes in daily, weekly, monthly on autopilot because we have an asset, we have an investment operation that works hard for us. We working smart here. We do not work hard for money. We make money work hard for us. That's a rule. The rule number one of our company is that we make money work hard for us. And so we want to share some information that can help you build your asset column with cash flow and assets. Check out the link in the description and start your online business because it can be the best thing that you can do this year so that you can become financially free. And if you may be at a job that you hate, then you can come out of that job quickly using the strategies that we are showing you, and they are very simple to follow. Anyone without technical skills, without any specific skills, um, can do that. Okay, can build passive income right from home. It puts you in a better tax bracket. Having your own company, establishing that company is important because we do not want to do business as an individual because we lose advantages. We want to have a company that represents us, and then we build our asset column through that company. Okay, and I'm going to show you a lot of more business law knowledge in the business principles that work in all economies, because if we have a true asset, it will make money even in the worst economy. It's not about predicting the economy so much, it's about being prepared for any type of economy. Okay, and question anybody, question me, question the experts, question salespeople. Learn how to think for yourself. And that's what we encourage here at Master Investor. Knowledge is the new money. It does not take money to make money. It takes knowledge and it takes an idea backed up by confidence. But we want you to think for yourself, okay? And it's not that hard to build a business that is successful from home as long as we follow certain steps. And remember that the formulas to wealth are oftentimes dull, boring, and mechanical. And that's why many people do not stick with them and they give up too soon, okay? Because they are somewhat boring and they are mechanical and dull. So our minds are trained to have fun and wanting to be in places where there's a lot of fun. So if we don't find it fun, then we jump into the next thing. So stay the course, stay focused, follow one course to success, right? And learn from the lucrative formulas that we have to offer to help you build your passive income. Okay, that's the income that comes in without having to work or be present to earn the income. It's not like the earned or active income, which is the type of income that many people know how to do, which is trading their time for money. Going to a job is very easy for anybody to do. You just have to put in your time and you get a paycheck. Anyone can do that. So we're going to show you what the 10% or maybe the 1% of the world knows. Okay, you want to be in the 10% club, the one that build passive income and reach financial freedom and eventually start building true wealth. But our goal, and the first goal is, if you have a job, then is to find out what is your monthly living expense, and then reaching that with assets, cash flow, with assets that bring cash flow that exceeds that number. So if it's 5,000 per month that all your expenses combined costs you every single month, then we gotta find an asset or build an asset or acquire an asset that produces that monthly for you on autopilot. Once we do that, then you are officially out of the rat race, out of trading time for money, because you no longer have to work to pay for your bills. You can actually wake up at any time you want. You can control your day and your week and do whatever you want to do because you're not working for money. And from that point on, we're going to build true wealth, which is measured in time, not necessarily in dollars. So we have to continue to acquire more assets that are producing cash flow year in and year out, and hopefully for a long term. Some assets are only good for a few years, but we want to focus in assets that produce cash flow for a long time so that we can have more freedom and we can thrive without having to work and doing anything for many years and hopefully generations to come. Okay, if it's real estate and if it's intangible assets online that are truly here to stay, which are many of them, we're going to show you. Actually, there's a new book that's coming out that's going to show you how to create cash flow on the internet, turn passive income on. And so it's coming out this month. We're almost done with it. It's our first book that we're going to produce from our company, and it's going to show you how to build those assets that are intangible online so that you can continue to build true wealth and be able to live a lifestyle life around your passions, right? And there's nothing more beautiful and fulfilling than making money with our passions, with things that we're interested and passionate about. So it's all about finding needs in the marketplace and filling those needs with valuable products and having systems to do the selling and telling for us. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and welcome to our community. Look for Master Investors logo on all platforms, and I'll see you in the inside of our inner circle. Check out the links in the description and go ahead and take action. Okay, it's all about actually doing. Once you have the knowledge, it's about doing. It's be, do, have. Okay, we're gonna be the inside investors and we're gonna do, and then we're gonna have what it comes with that. Okay, but I want you to understand that you must be mentally the inside investor, the master investor. That's why knowledge is powerful. Okay, it's the new money. I'll see you on the next video. Much love. Stay strong.